since then, it's like I'm not comfortable of showing my face, But we cannot avoid that some people don't like us. But anyway, I'm just enjoying my YouTube channel. I am happy meeting new friends. And at the same time, I am continuing my channel for my charity group in the Philippines. So true, Mr. Zoni. Ayan. Kamal at Ayeshe yung bida. Oh. Naku po, pag na-addict ako si Skatya, iiwanan ko yung channel ko. Ikaw magiging ano. I do understand your feelings though. Thank you so much, Mr. Zoni. Because we cannot avoid that we have bashers here. You do whatever makes you happy, don't worry about anyone else. That's right, Mr. Zoni. There were times that I don't upload videos, something like that. But anyway, this time I say I must continue because I don't care anymore what people will say as long as I am not doing bad to others. At least here we are happy, we are meeting new friends. And we have chismis here. Where is Ogier? Chismis. Oh my gosh. Where I am. Oh, Daniele, yay, terminado. Kasi terminado. Son 2 oras. 1 hora y 54 minutos, Daniele. I am playing here the live stream of Daniela to support her watch hour. And then I am playing here another for JRB Mix TV for his watch hour also. So while I am on live, I am trying to support some of our friends that aren't monetized yet. I am happy also helping others for their watch hour. So here we go. I have to go now. I have to cook dinner. Speak to you soon. Thank you so much, Ruby Gems. Thank you so much. Ay, minsan may mga inaabangan ako pero putol-putol man di masundan ang episode. Yun nga, Bunso, yung mahirap. There will always be people that enjoy hurting others but they are the one that hurt the most. That's right, Mr. Zoni. I believe in that also. Bye everyone in the chat. Thank you so much, Ruby Gems. See you next time. Perhaps I will be having my live stream, if not Monday, Tuesday again. Maganda ang sunod-sunod yung mga Korean teleserye, ang iba old na. Bye Ruby from Lorico. Have a great day Ruby from Mr. Zoni. Enjoy cooking Ruby from Lorico. Bye Ruby Gems Vlogs from Ogre Coins. So guys, it's already 2 hours and 27 minutes. It's time to say goodbye again. Happy weekend. So time for shout out. So thank you so much our friends from Sweden, UAE, UK, Brazil, KSA, USA, Lebanon, Germany, Argentina, and Philippines. Thank you so much our visitors for today. Shout out to Nang Lutz Dotado, First Honor, thank you so much. Leon Olson from Sweden, thank you so much, my dear. Vilma Doles, thank you so much, sis, for dropping by. Daniela Ribeiro, muchísimas gracias de Brazil. Ading Charles Lumawi, kung nandyan ka pa, salamat. Barry, thank you so much for dropping by, my dear friend. Katya Life in Lebanon, thank you so much, sis Katya. Ads Diary Bunso, salamat. Sis Lorico, thank you so much. Millet Vlogs, thank you so much, sis Koy. Lucy Warren's Word, thank you so much. Inang Kakudapom, salamat. Rodel Magsipok, thank you so much. Lily Lamberto, muchísimas gracias, de Argentina. Mr. Zoni, thank you so much. Ogre Coins, thank you so much, my dear friend. Ruby Gems Vlog, thank you so much. Tigolo Diding Channel, salamat po sa support. Thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend. Please take care, stay happy, and stay healthy always. Goodbye. Adios. Muchísimas gracias a todos.